in Milwaukee has issued a flash flood warning for southern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, northern Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until midnight at 9:26 p.m. Doppler radar indicated more thunderstorms producing heavy rain will be affecting the area from southern Jefferson County northeast into northern Milwaukee County. Thunderstorms already deposited 1 to 3 inches of rainfall earlier this evening. An additional 1 to 2 inches is expected through the remainder of the evening. Flash flooding is expected to begin once again in parts of the warned area. Some locations that may experience flooding include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Whitefish Bay, Pewaukee, Fort Atkinson, Brown Deer, Sussex, St. Francis, Heartland, Jefferson, Delafield, Fox Point, Elm Grove, and Bayside. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.